Hey guys, welcome back to Mindful Eats. This month I will be sharing recipes made from one superfood. So each video will be dedicated to a superfood which we can incorporate in our daily lives. And that's why this month is gonna be awesome. So today's video is dedicated to carrots. Now carrot is one superfood which is easily available and extremely versatile. Carrot is well known for its nutritional benefits, one of it being rich in vitamin A. Now this is from my personal experience that I've seen that one of my clients ate carrots 3 times a week for a month and his eyesight improved drastically. He had glasses and the number reduced as well. So you see, it is a superfood that is extremely beneficial for us. The other nutritional benefits of carrots are it helps to improve our digestion, it lowers our blood pressure, it helps to regulate our blood glucose levels, and not to forget, it helps us boost our immunity. So you see, the benefits of carrots are so many, and hence we should incorporate it in our daily meals. So today I'll be sharing 3 recipes made from carrots. Let's check them out. So the first recipe that we are making is carrot cucumber summer salad. So for this we require 2 small carrots or 1 medium carrot that is peeled in strips just this way. Roughly 1 cup. I'm just going to add this to the bowl. Same way I have peeled the cucumber. Again, roughly 3/4 cup. Half a cup of chopped tomatoes. And homemade cottage cheese. This can be easily prepared at home. Now let's prepare the dressing. Here I am taking 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. To this I am adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of honey, oil, and 1 clove of garlic grated. Now I'm just gonna mix it up and drizzle over the salad. Lastly, I'm gonna garnish it with some mint leaves and some whole wheat croutons. Our carrot cucumber summer salad is ready. Our next recipe is carrot oats pancake. In this I'm taking 1 cup of oats powder. To this I'm adding half a cup of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm just gonna mix it well along with 1 egg. You can use half teaspoon of baking powder instead of egg. Here I've added pomegranate juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm just gonna mix the mixture well. In this I'm adding organic honey around 1 teaspoon and 1 cup of carrot. Make sure that you squeeze the water out of carrot before adding to the mixture. Mix it well in cut and fold method. Now here I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. It just enhances the sweetness. Now heat a pan, add butter and put a dollop of the mixture over the pan. You should cook it till the time you see small bubbles over the pancakes and then flip it over. These turn out to be super delicious and super yummy, excellent for kids as they get the fiber from the carrot. My kids just love this. Here you have it, the carrot oats pancake. I'm just gonna drizzle some honey over the top. You can use maple syrup if you want to. Looks yummy, doesn't it? The next recipe we are preparing is carrot pasta. Now for this, heat a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 2 garlic cloves. Saute it. Add 1 medium onion sliced. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of whole wheat flour, and to this I'm adding 1 cup of milk, and I will stir it continuously till there are no lumps. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano powder and chili powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. I'm gonna mix it well. You can add water if you want a little bit more runny consistency. Now to this I'm adding 1 cup of tomato puree made at home. The link to the recipe is in the description box. To this I'm adding 1 cup of carrot noodles. Now if you do not have the equipment to make these noodles, you can just peel it the way we did it in the earlier video and saute it for roughly 2 to 3 minutes, and once the carrots are cooked, garnish it with some parsley or coriander. Here you have it, a carrot pasta. You can have it with chicken, prawns, tofu, cottage cheese, the way you like it. Hope you like the recipes. Do incorporate in your daily routine as they are super easy and simple. That's the whole point. It doesn't need elaborate cooking. And if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. It's always nice to see that and makes us keep going. And we shall see you with more recipes with other superfoods next week. Bye.